Well, I have a question for you guys, actually. It sort of starts off what I'm doing today. Is there anything that you take completely for granted on your body? Like, which one of your body parts do you take for granted?
I want them all.
Don't you think them all?
I want them all.
Yeah. And I mean, think about life without an ear. Well, we have a young girl with us today who is amazing. She's 17 years old now, and she's about to turn 18. And for her 18th birthday, she is being given an ear by a man named Robert Barron, who is the leader in the field of creating prosthetic devices. She was born without her right ear, and she has a rare birth defect. And after about 24, 25 surgeries, this little girl's life is about to be turned around, and this is such a great story. I think you guys are going to love it. This is actually the second of a series we've been bringing you called Medical Miracles, and I think you guys are going to love this.
Coming up, Cynthia's got a medical miracle for a little girl who's lived her entire life without one of her ears.
My next guest is inspirational, to say the least. She's a teenager who has never allowed a birth defect to hold her back from accomplishing anything. Take a look at her story. As an award-winning equestrian, Hannah Shainholtz has accomplished more than most 17-year-olds.
Hope.
It's not just Hannah's amazing drive to succeed that makes her different. Hannah is also different because she was born with only one ear.
When I walk into a room, you definitely can feel when people are looking at you and feel everybody's just staring at you, but once you break the ice, it's all okay.
Hannah was born with a deformity of her right ear called ear microtia. She's deaf on that side.
I said she just has a little doggy ear, and we called it that for the longest time.
Hannah never felt unusual until she started school.
The first day of preschool, like one of my best friends now, I remember her asking her mom what was wrong with me, and that's when I kind of other kids notice that I am not the same.
You know, you always worry about your kid and being accepted.
Because of her ear and other health problems, Hannah has had 17 surgeries in her short life. Doctors tried to construct an ear for her, but it didn't work.
We thought we were doing the right thing when we tried to construct an ear, and it didn't work. And to watch your child go through all that, so awful.
Hannah's strength was an inspiration for her family.
I don't know, she's about the toughest person I know. She's been through a hell of a lot.
And it was her family's love and support that kept Hannah's spirits up.
My family and friends have been so great. There's so many mean people out there, but I owe everything to them.
And then one day, Hannah saw a story on TV that would change her life. It was about Robert Barron and his work creating prosthetic ears.
When I saw Robert on TV, I just didn't ever think it was possible. It was just kind of in the back of my head. I was like, well, that'd be great if I could ever meet somebody like that.
She emailed Robert, but never expected him to write back.
I got back to her right away, and that's how the ball got started.
He answered all my prayers, and I just can't thank him enough because he's so great.
She doesn't know how this is going to change her life. I do.
Robert Barron sculpts and paints prosthetic body parts for people with physical disfigurements. On her first visit, he fitted Hannah for the ear by creating a mold of her left ear. At the next visit, he checked to see if the ear fit. As a final touch, he tinted it to match her skin color.
Look at this, Joe. See how that's starting to blend? Wow. See?
For Hannah to have a prosthetic ear, emotionally, it would definitely help her self-esteem. I think she'd feel great walking into a room and not feeling like people are staring at her because her hair is pulled back and she's missing an ear.
When you put this on, I want you to just press firm. All right? Let's go to the mirror. Okay. Mom, come on.
Getting this ear isn't going to change who I am, but it's just going to make me more confident.
Okay.
Oh my gosh!
Okay.
It's like when I walk into a room or into a restaurant or something, I'm not going to have to be like, oh gosh, make sure my hair is pulled over the side of my face or something. I'm speechless and I can't even. I look so different. Come here, give me a hug.
Please welcome Hannah, her mother Jill, and the prosthetic. Oh God, Robert Barron. You guys are. Go, Doc. And I've been sitting here telling you don't get nervous. Oh, it's a piece of cake. This isn't the hard part. This is the easy part. What are you looking forward to the most?
Wearing my hair up, just being able to go out of the house, throw my hair up, not worry about trying to curl it and cover that side of my face. And sunglasses is a big issue. Like, I don't wear sunglasses ever. And earrings, I love earrings. I want long earrings are fun, and I like to wear those. So my future is just having people look at me for who I am and not like having to get over the fact that I was born different.
Robert, Hannah said something so cute earlier. She said, I wish I'd known about him before the last 4 surgeries. And you are regarded as the best in the business of prosthetics. How did you get started?
I was with the CIA for 24 years, and I was their senior disguise specialist. I devote all of my talent, my expertise, and everything goes into the prosthetic devices that I design for people today. The realism is what counts.
Well, we're happy that you're all here with us today, and thank you for sharing your story with us. And we have some surprises for you, because this little thing about never being able to wear sunglasses, this is just it's a little superficial thing, but I gotta tell you, like, you know, chicks dig sunglasses. Don't we? We like sunglasses. So, Macy's, thank you Macy's, in New York City sent over 3 pair of designer sunglasses for you.
Oh, cool.
I think that looks like Coach and Gucci and what's that one? Ooh, and Versace. And since you love earrings, we found the perfect girl to design the perfect earrings for you as a gift. It would be our very own lady in yellow over there smiling. Kimora designed something for you for Simmons Joy Company, but these she made. Thank you so much. You guys just warmed my heart. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And Robert Barron, you are truly a miracle worker. God bless you in everything you do.
Thank you.